Lopare project is located in Bosnia and Herzegovina, some 50 kilometers from the border with the European Union. It is a low-cost operating region with available skilled but affordable workforce. The costs of services and materials are reasonably priced too. The local government is supportive of mining projects, and the state has ensured that its mining laws are the most modern in the region with a simplified administration. Also, the state tax policy fosters an exceptional investor-friendly environment. Lopare project is a boron lithium exploration project with a significant resource potential of 750 metric tons of ore, conservatively valued at $10 billion in potential revenue. Previous exploration over Lopare area was intermittent. In 1998, Rio Tinto has drilled 5 drill holes, and Lithium LI has drilled a further 3 drill holes in 2012. In 2020, Arcor took over the exploration rights and has identified a potential for a shallow resource south of Lopare town. 8 deep drill holes have been completed to date, and another 2 drill holes are planned until the end of the year. The next year's activities will focus on estimating the first JORC-compliant resource. Arcor has engaged the world-renowned experts in this field, CSA Global. Also, Arcor will soon officially engage the top strategic EPCM partner, Fluor, to take over the economic assessments and the mine design. Fluor has successfully completed the definitive feasibility study for Rhyolite Ridge, a boron lithium deposit in Nevada that is very similar to Lopare in terms of geology and mineralization.
I'm an Australian. I've been working in exploration for about 16 years. And I've been working now on the Lopare project here in Bosnia, in the Republika Srpska, for the past 2 months. It's my first time working here, my first experience here in Bosnia. It's really great to work with such an enthusiastic, passionate team. Not only the geologists, but also the support team we have. Local people from Lopare and people from the broader Bosnia, even people from Macedonia, as far as Macedonia. They've all been really helpful and really passionate, and it's a real pleasure. So the outlook is, I think, if you imagine that the ground we're standing on, below us there's something that you can compare to gold is as a resource that the industry requires in Europe and all over the world. For example, lithium. We know that lithium is a very important part of batteries and electric automobiles that are increasing worldwide. So if we find what we're looking for, we will actually have this modern gold in our hands, and the whole region, the country and our company will benefit from this situation.
So we started drilling in mid-August. We have now achieved over 700 meters of drilling. We already have the first hole finalized, and we are very surprised about the good results. So we are very positive for the project. We estimate that we have up to 10 billion metric tons of boron and 1 million metric tons of lithium in this deposit.
An enormous open-pit, super-pit operation is envisioned at Lopare. The mineralization has been confirmed by drilling over the extraordinary length of 5 kilometers, and the growth potential still exists to extend the mineralization to north, east, and south.